Creeples, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to be doing the unboxing of a brand new creepy crate that arrived at my door a few days ago, and I'm very excited. So for those of you who do not know what creepy crate is a horror subscription box where you get a bunch of really cool creepy things, and another really cool thing about creepy crate is you also get a book with every single box, which is one thing that when I first started getting Creepy Crate, I was like, books. I'm not really a huge book reader, but let me just tell you, Creepy Crate has literally like struck a new obsession with book reading for me. I have never been much of a reader. I used to never ever read books. I have been so into the books that we have been getting. So a few Creepy Crates ago, we got this book right here, which is the hollow ones, and I actually recently just finished this a few nights ago, and this book was really good. It was able to keep my attention. It wasn't my favorite one that I've read, but this one was pretty good. The thing that I didn't like about this is it kept jumping back to like the 1800s, and then it would jump back to the present day. So that was kind of hard for me to kind of keep up with, but honestly this book was really good. And I just started reading this one. This is The Patient by Jasper DeWitt. I'm about that far into it, and oh my gosh, you guys, this book is so good so far. It is so creepy, it's so disturbing. It's really great. Like the other night I read a couple chapters in this and I literally laid in bed like, you do get a brand new book in every single Creepy Crate. I'm trying to catch up on all of my reading. I usually try to read every night before I go to sleep because one, it helps me kind of wind down and it helps me go to sleep as well. So all the little book reviews out of the way, I do really like that Creepy Crate includes a book in every single box. And today we're gonna unbox this one, which this one I think might be the December/January box. I'm not sure, we'll find out once we open it. But I'm very excited. So without further ado, let's go ahead and see what is in this box. I have absolutely no idea what's in here. I'm very excited. So I'm just gonna cut this open and we're gonna dive right in. I'm so freaking excited. Oh my gosh, I freaking love unboxing Creepy Crates. Here's what everything looks like on the inside here. So let's go ahead and dive in one by one and see all the products we get. So the first thing I'm gonna take off the top here is the America's Most Haunted 2021 calendar. Oh my gosh, this is so cool looking, and how fitting for like everything that's going on. Like we have a very green theme going on here today. As you can see, my lights are green, my shirt is green. So the first thing in here is this little 2021 calendar. Oh my gosh, this is really cool. So when you open it up, here it is, January of 2021. And then at the top here, it looks like it tells you about all the creepy haunted places. So like how small it is, so it's really easy. Like, I feel like this would be a good size calendar to hang up on your fridge. I am one of those people, whenever I get a calendar, I always like to see my birthday month. So I was born in August. Lolani Palace in Honolulu, Hawaii. And this says, the former home of the Hawaiian monarchy is now haunted by Queen Lili Uokalani. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Was disposed by the rogue American settlers. The musical queen can be heard chanting or singing in the bedroom where she was held captive for 8 months. So that is really interesting. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. I haven't even heard of half of these places before. Really cool. Ooh, the St. Augustine Lighthouse. I have heard of that one before. The next thing that I'm really excited that is right on top is, it looks to be a coffee mug, and this could not be any more perfect, and it is this coffee mug right here, and it looks like on the front we have Richard Ramirez. This is so freaking weird and funny that we're getting this in this box because Netflix just uploaded a new documentary or series on Richard Ramirez, the Night Stalker, and I literally have it in my list to watch it tonight. So how funny is it that we literally got this mug in there? Really cool. It's like this cream color, and I'm a huge coffee drinker as well. Like I literally have coffee right here. So I don't know what it says right here on the front. I don't know if that's like another language or something. I'm not really sure. I guess we'll find out at the end, but really excited about this product right here. Oh, yay! The next thing that we have in here is a little pin, and I think it's, I don't know if it's every box, but every once in a while you do get a pin in your little Creepy Crates, and this one looks to be like some sort of potion bottle, and on the inside It has little tiny eyeballs in it. Oh my gosh, how cute is this? And I actually have a bag that I've had since I was like a freshman in high school, and it has a bunch of like patches and stuff on it and pins on it, and I literally keep all of the pins that I get from like stores or creepy crates, and I put them on that bag. So this is gonna go absolutely perfect on that bag. Really, really excited about this. This is really cute. Again, with like the whole green theme going on. Ooh, I'm feeling the green, girl. Next thing that we have in here is the book that we got, and this one is called Secret Santa, and this is The Gift That Keeps on Giving by Andrew Schaefer. And here's what the cover of this one looks like. So very, very perfect for like the Christmas holiday season. That's why I think this is the December/January one. On the back it says, Lucy must track down her anonymous Secret Santa and figure out the true meaning of the mysterious object in her possession before it destroys the company and possesses her. So this sounds really good, really creepy. Even though this is kind of like a Christmas themed book, I think this would be really good to read any time of the year, and anything that involves horror is good for any time of the year. So that is the book that we got for this creepy crate. Really, really excited to read that one. The next thing we got in here, which I'm kind of interested, is this little like squishy type thing, which I don't even know. Oh my gosh, you know what I think this is? I think this actually kind of goes along with the little coffee cup that we got. And if you're a huge tea drinker, I absolutely love tea. It is one of those little tea things, so you put like loose leaf tea in here, and you put this on top of it, and you basically fill this with hot water, and you put this inside of the cup. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. So it's like a little tea steeping thing, and it's really cool because it has a bunch of little skulls and skeletons on it. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so freaking cool. I absolutely love this. This is perfect. I might have to have some tea later in my new coffee cup while I watch the Richard Ramirez documentary. Oh my gosh, this is freaking awesome. I absolutely love this. I have owned a few of these in the past, but I feel like this one is probably my favorite because it's just so like creepy and cool. At first I thought it was like a hand sanitizer holder that you like put on your purse, which that would have been cool and prevalent to today's times, but I mean, a tea steeper is just as cool. So that one is awesome. And the last little thing in here looks to be a multifunctional wearing device, which let's see what this looks like. Oh, okay, so I know what this is. Okay, so the next thing in here is one of these guys, and these can be used in many, many different ways. Like on the little thing, show you if it'll focus on all of this. So it looks like you can wear it in many different ways. You can wear it as like a headband, a mask, a head wrap, many, many different uses for this. This is actually really cool. I'm gonna try to put this in my hair right now, around your hair. So yeah, you could wear it as a mask like this, which is also really prevalent to today's times. Or for me personally, because I already have a ton of masks, this would actually make a really cool hairband or headband. This looks really freaking cool. I'm gonna wear this for the rest of the video. Really cool. I like the skull design, really creepy. Definitely my style, something I'm definitely into. So this is actually really cool, and again, really functional for many different things, and especially in today's times because masks are a thing still, okay? They're probably gonna be a thing for a while, so why not wear a super cool one with a skull head on it? I really like it. I think that is everything that we got in this creepy crate. So now I'm going to refer back to this little list right here and make sure that we got everything and just kind of like talk more in depth. The first thing on the list is the book, which is Secret Santa by Andrew Schaefer. Also with every creepy crate, you also get like an ebook download. So the ebook download is Back from the Dead, which I'm pretty sure gets emailed to you when you do subscribe to Creepy Crate, I'm pretty sure. So the next thing is the the America's Most Haunted 2021 calendar. Awesome Cask of Skulls tea infuser with Richard Ramirez tarot card mug. Okay, so this must be like a tarot card type thing. Let's remind everyone on your Zoom conference that you're not to be trifled with as you refill your caffeine meter with a serial killer by your side. Really, really cool. I absolutely love this mug. And the last thing is the little jar of eyes pin, which is super, super cool. I really like this. So that was everything that we got in this creepy crate. I feel like there was less stuff in this creepy crate than in previous ones. I absolutely love doing these creepy crate unboxings. I think they are absolutely awesome and super, super cool. I can't wait to see what we get in the next creepy crate. Let me know down below, what did you think of this creepy crate? Did you think it was cool? Did you think that we got some pretty awesome stuff in there? Let me know down in the comments, what was your favorite thing? Are you guys a fan of these creepy crate unboxings? Do you want me to keep doing them? Make sure you guys go down and sound off below. If you are new to my channel and this is the first video of mine that you are seeing, make sure you go down and hit that red subscribe button. I do upload every 3 to 4 days here. But as for the rest of you, I love you guys so much and I will see you very soon in my next video. I love you guys and stay creepy. Bye! Mwah.